People, very quick video on how you can make these concrete planters. Boom, 25 bucks each, 5 tiles from the Home Depot, a couple of bolts and some glue. I'll show you quickly. Take care, bye-bye. I'm going to keep this very short and sweet. How to make your own concrete planters for in the garden. Here we go. Buy yourselves 5 tiles. I have them here 16 by 16. 4 to make the side walls, 1 to make the bottom. Then what you do is you buy yourself some Loctite glue. You buy yourself some hammer sets to hammer the tiles together. I'll show you how. A hammer, a drill, small size, slightly bigger, batteries, drill, etc. Piece of paper to work on cleanly. Here we go. Drill 2 holes, 1 right here, 1 right here. After that you will glue the tiles together and hammer these nails through it so you get a connection. Then you're going to do that all the way around. Okay, as you can see, I've placed them all as they should be. Look at the way they're lined up. And I've drilled holes all the way through the one panel into the other ones so that these hammer units fit in. So you've seen I've gone all the way around. Yeah, so now we have the walls done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put Loctite between all these gaps before I hammer in the nails. So Loctite will go all over there. Make sure when you put the Loctite, you put it on the inside here. Yeah, not that you squeeze it on the outside because you'll affect the aesthetics of the concrete with the glue. You don't want that. Okay, I will glue it all together now, hammer it together, and I'll show you the results. Better outcome on your glue pattern, I put a little bit of chalk yellow on exactly where I want to put my glue so I don't overspill when I get it together. Hammer the pins in first, partially, then line up the holes nicely. Glue is in between, as you can see. And then get hammering. Don't hit the edge of the concrete, you'll damage it. As you can see, all nails are through. On each side, the glue is connected. You will see a nice trim line of the glue coming back in. So we're even sealing the edges a little bit. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put the bottom on, which is going to drop on top of this side. Again, we're going to add glue on the inner line because the tile will not stick over all the way here, because you know the length of the tile is from here to here. Yeah, but we're going to have to bridge a little bit of these ends that we had built like that. Okay, let's go. As you can see, I put the glue on the inner sections of the bottom of the tiles. Now I'm going to put the bottom on, 1 tile, 16 by 16. Okay. Well, there you go. The bottom plate is on. Nicely sealed off, as you can see, and drilled a hole in the bottom so we have a bit of drainage as needed. 16 by 16, actually 17 by 17 by 17 inches.